Hi guys, welcome back sa YouTube channel natin. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the Electrical Engineering Boards 2019 and this came from Engineering Mathematics Basic Algebra. So ang problem natin is, pero before that, shoutout muna sa Lodi Cakes ko, si Engineer Felipe Jimenez Jr., ang isa sa mga review director or I think review director ng REO, review center, online review ata. Pero shoutout sa Lodi Cakes Felipe and see you soon Lodi. More power sa'yo. A car rental company offers two plans for renting a car. Plan A offers $30 per day and $0.20 per extra mile. Plan B is $55 per day and with free unlimited mileage. For what range of miles will Plan B save a customer's money? So, in terms of analysis, so this must be an inequality because we're comparing which plan will save more money. And as per the problem, what is stated in the problem, Plan B must save customers' money. So how do we do this, Sir IJ? So the first thing that we have to do is we have to introduce another variable that will represent the number of miles that will be used by the car. So let M be the number of miles. Okay? If you have questions or clarifications, feel free to comment in the comment section. Number of miles traveled. Okay? So for the first plan, so for plan A, it was stated that the amount or the plan for renting a car costs, so that's $30 per day, right? Plus $0.20 per mile. So that is 0.2 M. I hope that this is clear. So that is $30 per day plus 0.2 M. Right? I hope that's clear, guys, ha? How about plan B, Sir IJ? So for plan B, we have $55 per day and with free unlimited mileage. So that is just 55, right? Because it's just unlimited. Okay? So the question is, for what range of miles will plan B save a customer's money? Actually, if you read the problem, I think there's something missing. But if you analyze based on the choices, so they are comparing the day. So only for one day, right? So what happens is, the range of miles will plan B save a customer's money. So that means that the amount spent for B must be less than the amount spent for A because it will save money. So it will cost less, right? So what happens next is we will just substitute. So we have 55 is less than 30 plus 0.2 M. If we rearrange our inequality, or we can simplify it. 55 minus 30, that is 25, is less than 0.2 M. Okay? So divide both sides by 0.2 and then 0.2. 25 over 0.2, that is 125, is less than M. And we will rewrite our inequality. M is greater than 125. So what does that mean, Sir IJ? So for plan B, to save a customer's money, so that means that the number of miles that must be traveled must be more than 125 miles, which makes letter A as our answer for this board problem. So this is a very basic question, so I hope that this will be an easy peasy for you guys, especially those preparing for board exam. So wag nyo na imamalito mga lodi guys, napaka-basic lang nito. Just try to analyze. And yun. Paano sir, what if Sir IJ, I don't have any idea on how to generate or how to do these inequalities. So maybe you can do some tricks like mga diskarte. So siguro pwede nyo gawin 55 minus 30. So that is 25. Divide mo sa 0.20. That is 125. From the choices, isa lang naman yung 125. So most likely letter A yung tamang sagot. So yun lang yung siguro iba sa mga diskarte na pwede nating ituro. Siyempre marami pa namang pwedeng way. Pero yun nga, yung pinaka-fundamental, kunyari, you just parang nagkaroon ka ng mental block. So, ayun. Anyway, guys, I hope you learned something new for today or maybe, or na-refresh man lang kayo kahit na paano. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best. If ever may questions or clarifications, never hesitate to ask in the comment section and I will try my best to respond dun sa mga comments nyo. And thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye and God bless.